The cookbook running a saved recipe. Press the power button to switch on the oven. The oven will immediately start to heat up. This is shown by the holding symbol and the active heating symbol on the screen. The temperature of the oven cavity is shown at the bottom of the screen, as there isn't a recipe running just yet. The screen is automatically set to manual mode as standard. Here is how you run a saved recipe. There are 16 preloaded recipes to choose from. Press the menu button to show the last 10 recipes used. Press again to the recipe list, your cookbook. Use the up and down buttons to select the recipe you would like. For example, to run the fries recipe, scroll down to fries and press the menu button. This will load the recipe. To run the recipe, simply press Start. The oven will begin to preheat to the desired temperature. When the temperature is reached, the oven will beep. Place your fries in the oven and close the oven door. The recipe will start. Finally, the oven will beep when the cycle is finished. That is how you run a saved recipe on your Buffalo oven.
Shop now at nisbets.co.uk.